Ya, boy group ini meski udah berkali-kali ke Indonesia, mereka ngakunya seneng banget bisa menghibur fans di sini. Nah, pas banget, kita juga punya interview eksklusif dia Gita dan tim Net bareng para personil Boyzone. Wah, ngobrolin apa aja ya? Ya, ini dia selengkapnya.
Sing and words are all I have, and then to take your heart away.
Oh my.
Already visited Indonesia for a couple of times. Like, what is the most unforgettable moment that you've ever experienced? The best one, of course.
Your singing words.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm
Well,
flattered.
we've been very lucky to experience some amazing things every time that we come to Indonesia. The culture, the people, the food,
Nasi
the welcome,
goreng,
the nasi
Nasi
goreng.
goreng.
When we arrive in the airport, the welcome we get, the hospitality that we receive.
But Indonesia, we've had great memories, great times. We've great relationships with the people here. We were welcomed with open arms back in 1995 when we first came here, and we've been at it ever since, and it's been brilliant. A massive thank you to everybody across Indonesia that supported Boyzone, bought the records, came to the shows.
How did you keep up the, the chemistry amongst you guys? Like, I mean, like, it's been 25 years, you know?
It's all a show.
Can you do
It's all a show. When you go away, we kill each other.
Oh!
No, we've done all the arguments back 20 years ago. We know each other well now, and we try to just celebrate each other and bring the best out in each other. And nobody is perfect on this planet.
Yes.
So you've got to kind of live and let live.
Yeah. And then, like a lot of, lately, like for the past couple of years, like a lot of boy band, like new boy band coming up, like One Direction and 5 Seconds of Summer, and K-pop boy band as well. What do you think about? Yeah. What do you think about the new boy band?
I love K-pop. I think it's incredible. I mean, those guys are like triple threats. They can dance, they can sing, and give me something else. What else can they do? Yeah, those guys. There's about 20 of them on stage, and it looks incredible what they create. They're
and their friends is really big as well. Right?
Huge.
Like
they're playing Wembley
world.
Stadium. They sold Wembley Stadium out in 20 minutes.
Anyway, like, what kind of activities are you gonna do after this? After you retired?
Well, we're
retired.
we're just kind of Boyzone's. This is our final album and our final tour. But we'll go back to being the people that we are.
Yeah.
We all have busy lives, families. We've got children.
Yep.
We're just going to go and enjoy our lives.
Great. Okay, one more time. Since you're in Indonesia, can you say like Indonesia mantap betul?
Mantap betul.
Yes, together, please.
Indonesia,
mantap betul.
Yay! Thank you very much.
That's all that matters to me. No matter what. That's all that matters to me. No matter what.
Oh yang beneran. Iya, oke.
Tapi gue pernah.
Nah, udah kan nonton beritanya? Jangan lupa di subscribe, di like dan juga di komen ya akun YouTube dari netbali. Terima kasih udah subscribe. Yang belum, jangan sampai lupa di sebelah sini nih. Tetap subscribe.